Hey everyone, welcome back to this new chapter. In this chapter, we are going to design Instagram. We'll be majorly covering observer design pattern, street design pattern in this chapter. Of course, we'll be designing Instagram. We'll be making the use case diagram, class diagram, sequence diagrams, and then we'll be coding from end to end. You would be able to design any social media application. You'll be able to majorly design, for example, TikTok. You'll be able to design Facebook, Twitter, Reddit. Let's start the chapter now. Now, let's start with the use case diagram for Instagram. Generally, this is the place where you talk with your interviewer to decide what all things would you work upon. What all actors can you see? First is user. What all things can a user do? A user can create a post. Second thing is a like on a post. A user can comment on a post. User can comment on a comment also. What would be the fourth thing? A user can send any other user a follow request. Fifth is a user can accept and decline a follow request. Okay. The next thing would be a user can search for other users. A profile can search for other profiles. A profile always has a have a news feed, right? A user is able to see his news feed. We call it timeline also. Okay, what's next? A user is able to view all his posts. Okay. With like, of course, unlike would also come. I think this should be enough. I know there could be more which we might be missing, but these are generally like, for example, comment on a post and comment. You can edit a comment also. A user can edit a comment, which we can handle. Creating a post, a person can delete a post also. Deletion of a post would also be there. In Instagram, there would be profile can be private or public. Generally, these are the discussions that you have with your interviewer, and you and your interviewer decides what you are going to work upon. Okay, we'll try to take care of everything what we have talked about. So, what would be the other actor in this complete system of Instagram? Second, what do you think about the system? System sends notification when we send someone a follow request. So, sends a notification to the other person. Suppose I have sent a follow request to you. So, you would get a notification there and then. Arun wants to follow you when the profile is private. Let's just imagine that, okay, every profile is private. So you would get a notification. When you accept my follow request, I would get a notification saying that you guys are friends now. So sending notifications is the work for system. What would be the other thing? One more thing I can think of is when I search for profiles, I get to see a list of suggestions. When I start typing, I get suggestions. So this should be too that enables search functionality. This is what the system would be doing of sending the results, sending the profiles. What else? I think this should be enough. Let's work on all these. Let's move to the class diagram now.